Oh, I've been getting back on this thing. I've missed it. It's fun. What's going on, guys? Alan here at the Gibson Garage YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Today we're working on the Mazda again, my friend Toby's Mazda. It is a Mazda3 hatchback, 2.3 liter. It's a nice little car. I mean, it's cool, it's fun, you know, it's fun, it's cool, it looks good. I got a thing for wagons, if you didn't know. Got a thing for wagons. Excuse my garbage sticking way high out of my trash can. I do not have a thing for Priuses, however, but it's basically a free rental car, so I'm not going to complain. On the 2.3 liter, we got to get to that alternator. Did not come with the and if we take a look at this other one, we can get an idea. You can see one bolt right there, and that's this bolt here. Your electrical connector and the power cord, those are both right here. So if you just set it up, you can get an idea of where the bolts are supposed to be. You know, you compare the two together, and you can see that other bolt, at least one other bolt down there, right in there. And then so that's this one here. These are probably going to be, and looking at it too, I don't think it's going to come up. I think we're going to have to go down the bottom. And these bottom bolts are probably going to be easier to get to from the bottom as well. So we're going to start by removing the plastic underneath, removing the belt, grab the bolt there. See, I just gave it a little tug and you can see it's breaking loose there. And it is behind the other belt. This car actually has two belts, but I'm not trying to remove this belt completely, so hopefully I can just get it off. It can chill for a little bit while I replace the alternator. So yeah, just slide it off this smooth pulley over there instead of trying to get it up over this lip. Now, I knew that would happen. I can't get my wrench back. And I was gonna say we need to take, the next step is to take the power off and the electrical connector off, but we need to get the battery off first, and you always do the negative cable first. And in this case we still got to do the positive because it's a positive wire. In some cases, oh, maybe it won't have power because the relay or something, I don't know, but just take them both off. And I need to clean this up anyways because all this grime, this seepage coming out of the caps here, it's no bueno. All this grime attracting the dirt. Let's see if we can get a voltage reading. Okay, so check this out. You guys wonder why your battery's dying? Look at in the dirt on the casing. I'm getting a voltage reading of almost 6 volts. There's a little less, see? It's not, you don't really get much in the dry. You didn't get anything in the dry, but the seepage with the dirt on top of it. And then you've got a metal bracket right here, and it's all rusted because that's where the electricity is grounding out through. Also as well, I mean, and also, you know, the battery, when it's connected to battery, is grounding out right here, so you can lose voltage that way. But yeah, keep your battery clean, keep this clean, keep everything clean. And if you have corrosion in your cables, like in this copper, you know, in the braided part of the wires, if you've got corrosion and it's all green inside there, like these are still good. It's starting to get a little grayish there, but it's not bad. We'll use some protector, but keep it clean and replace your cables if they need to be replaced. Otherwise, you'll be replacing batteries, alternators. You'll be chasing it forever. So check out the inside of it. Corrosion all over the place. The battery has been shorting out the whole time it's sitting in the car. It's just sitting here grounding out because of the grime. Keep your battery clean. Ooh, look at all this room in here with the cover off. So it's about 6 bolts. I got 1 busted, but there's 2 on the side, 2 on each side, and then like, I don't know, 2 in the middle, or 2 up front, or whatever. Yeah. And then a few of the body clip, but that'll come out easy with a tool like that. And then you just push these aside, and it basically falls right out into your face. Ask me how I know. But with everything disconnected, we can open this bad boy up. We can get that nut off. We can disconnect the wiring. These 2 bolts, super easy to get to. And then there's 1 there, and 2 more somewhere else. So there's actually 2 little tabs on the side of that power wire, at the top and the bottom of it. Just gotta pry them out a little bit. 3 tabs. There's 3 tabs. Get that connector off, get these 2 bolts out, which are probably 12s also. Yeah, everything's a 12. So the top bolt you can get out from right here. I got that one out. And the other 3 you're gonna get from underneath. There's one right there in the dark, you can't see it. There it is. And then I'll take this bolt out last and catch the alternator. And that bottom passenger bolt's a lot longer. And away she goes. I think that's original. See, the bottom 2 bolts are the same and the top 2 bolts are the same. The bottom is just longer. Okay. So this one has a locating dowel that'll help you hold it in place while you get a bolt started. One of the short ones up in the top there. Yeah, nice. And I'll get the top one started, get them tightened up. Heck, I'll just do this right now. Bingo. We'll put the nut on it and see if the nut will snap it into place. There, part of it snapped into place. Can I get my thingy back? There you go. Alright. Tighten up the rest of these mounting bolts. Get the belt back on. Alright. So it's still around the crank, and it needs to go down around that alternator. Come on now, work with me. Crank, alternator, tensioner. Okay. Now we grab the, what was that? Loosen the tension until I can slide it over the smooth pulley. Just like that, just like that. Quick inspection shows we are on the crank. I lined up on that well enough, that'll straighten out. And I'm on the alternator. Everything's plugged in. Just got to put on the plastic. And here's another shot of the bolt. You got 1, 2, 3 on the driver, 1, 2, 3 on the passenger, and then these 3 body mount bolts, or plastic fasteners, 1, 2, and 3. All right, terminals are cleaned up, nice and clean inside and out. Brackets are painted top and bottom. This guy slid in. It's the most interesting battery box I've ever seen. Mazda. Alright, let's start it up. Check the voltage. second. Usually when you unplug the battery, you want to give the HVAC system a time to run through all of its cycles. You can hear motor stop just now. Okay, and no voltmeter in the car. Alright, we're at 13.991-ish, which is close enough to 14. We're pretty good. That's charging, definitely. Is everything clean? I'd say that's a job well done. Well, I appreciate you guys following along. Let me know if you guys got any questions. That's a pretty straightforward one. But I think the most important takeaway is to keep your battery clean. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.